Good morning everyone. I'm Midterm Sir Austin Dasco by Dorado from NS1A3. Today I want to share something about the content of IMO and to determine the different chapters and the different words. I will decode it. So let's go. So here are the contents of chapter 1. General provisions. Surveys and certification of all safety items, etc. are included. Chapter 2.1 Construction, Subdivision and Stability. Machinery and electrical installations deals with watertight integrity of the ships, especially for passengers, vessels. Then Chapter 2.2 Fire Protection, Fire Detection and Fire Extinction. This chapter elaborates means and measures for fire protection in accommodation, cargo spaces, and engine room for the passenger, cargo, and the tanker ships. Chapter 3 Life-saving appliances and arrangements. All the life-saving appliances and their use in different situations is described. So next is the chapter 4 Radio communication. Radio communication includes requirements of GMDDS, SART, APIRB, etc. for cargo and the passenger vessels. Next is chapter 5 Safety of Navigation. This chapter deals with all seagoing, all vessels of all sizes from boats to VLCCs and includes passage planning, navigation, distress, signal, etc. Chapter 6 Carriage of Cargoes. This chapter defines the storage and security of different types of cargoes and containers, but does not include oil and gas cargo. Chapter 7 Carriage of Dangerous Goods. Defines the International Maritime Goods Code for storage and transportation of dangerous goods. Chapter 8 Nuclear Ships. The Code of Safety for nuclear-propelled ships in the state of this chapter. Chapter 9 Management for the safe operation of ships. The International Safety Management Code for ships owner and operator is described clearly. Next, Chapter 10 Safety Measures for High-Speed Craft. Safety Code for the high-speed craft is explained. Chapter 11 1 and 2 Special Measures to enhance maritime safety. Special and enhanced survey for safety operation for operational requirements and ISPS. Code is briefed in this chapter. Chapter 12 Additional Safety Measure for Bulk Carriers includes safety requirements for above 150 meters length bulk carrier. Chapter 13 Verification of Compliance. Chapter 14 Safety Measures for Ships Operating in Polar Waters. So next is, what is the angle of repose? The natural angle between the cone slopes the horizontal plane when the bulk cargo is emptied into this plane in ideal conditions. A value is quoted for specific type of cargoes, results being obtained from use of tilting box. Next, liquefaction is a phenomenon in which soil-like material is abruptly transformed from a solid dry state to an almost fluid state. So next is, what is the moisture content? Moisture content is the portion of the water expressed as a percentage of the total wet mass of sample. Next, the flow moisture point. The flow moisture point is the moisture content at which a flow state develops. And lastly, the transportable moisture limit. The transportable moisture limit is calculated as 90% of the flow of moisture point.